Add two numbers in Python. The first method is by storing the value in variables as value 1 and value 2, and then just displaying the sum of these two variables by print function. Print sum of value 1 and value 2 is equal to value 1 plus value 2. Run the program, save the program and run, and the output will be displayed. Sum of value 1 and 2 is equal to 80, and when we change the value, the answer will be different. The second method is by taking the input from the user. Here we are taking the variable as value 1 and taking the input from user as float. Enter value 1, and similarly taking value 2 as float input and storing the value in value 2. Then take the third variable as sum and add these two variables, value 1 plus value 2, and then print the output and run, and you will get the answer of adding two numbers by taking the input from user.